Hello everybody, my name is Brittany and today I'm in the Moolart kitchen and I'm going to make you one of my favourite recipes, which is a raw chocolate fudge brownie. So we'll start off by adding in 2 cups of dates. So I love dates because they're like a natural sweetener, so they give a really nice caramelly taste to the brownie. And then we have 1 cup of walnuts, half a cup of almond meal, half a cup of cacao powder. So the Moolart cacao powder is my favourite cacao because it's a really rich chocolatey flavour, which is my favourite. And then I have 2.5 tablespoons of the Moolart Marine Collagen powder. So this one here is really good for your hair, skin and nails, and you can't even taste it, which is why I love putting it in all of my raw treats. I then have half a teaspoon of Moolart monk fruit powder. So this is a natural sweetener which is low in calories, and for the amount that you use, it actually results to quite a lot of sugar, which is really good because you don't have to have as many calories. I'm then adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder, vanilla essence, and a pinch of pink Himalayan salt. I like mine quite salty, so I put in 2. And then we blend it up. So I've pre-lined a small little red loaf tin. So when I do this, I find it gets really sticky on the spoon, so sometimes you just have to keep working at it for it to actually get into the tray properly. I just like to press it in there so it's all even. So I just put some water on the back of the spoon just to help it smooth out a little bit easier. So now we're going to make the chocolate topping. So we'll start by adding a 1/4 cup of almond butter. You can use any other type of nut butter that you like, but I just prefer using almond butter. And then we have a 1/3 cup of raw cacao powder, a 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup, a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and we have 1/3 cup of coconut cream, and half a teaspoon of the Moolart monk fruit sweetener powder, and also a pinch of pink Himalayan sea salt. We just mix it up until it's all combined nicely. So now that that's all mixed up and nice and smooth, we're going to pour that onto our brownie base. You can use a larger tin for this as well, but I just like my brownie to be nice and thick. Just more chocolate. And then we just set it in the fridge. In the fridge for up to like 4 hours, or you can put it in the freezer if you want to fast track the process, which is what I do. So I just put it in the freezer for roughly like half an hour to an hour and then enjoy it. Oh, wait, there's one more thing. The cacao nibs. Okay, so I like texture, so I add a rough sprinkle of the Moolach cacaos on top. And that just gives it the extra bit of crunch and nutrients as well. So now we can set it in the freezer.